Hello everyone, welcome to EnggClasses YouTube channel for a video lecture series in Python. In this video lecture, we'll consider the use of in and not in operators in lists with suitable examples. So without wasting much time, let's get into the concept straight away. First, we'll understand the definitions, or we'll look what are in and not in operators. We can determine whether a value is present or not present in a list with the in and not in operators. So basically we can check for whether it is present or not present in the list using in and not in operators. Like other operators, in and not in are used in expressions and connect two values. A value to look for in a list and the list where it may be found. So basically we are interested with the two values, two things. One is value and the list. Moving on further, these expressions will evaluate to a Boolean value. We'll get the output of in and not in operators as a Boolean true or false. To understand this much better, enter the following into the interactive shell. Yes, this is the interactive shell of the Python. First, let me define a list. Spam equal to, spam will be a list variable which is defined as, so let me define with hi and next with hello and lastly I would consider bye. Yes, these are the three values being defined with the list spam. So now I want to check whether hello is present in the spam in the list. So for that I can use in and not in operator. First let me demonstrate this with in operator. So what I do is hello in spam. So if I type this and later if I press enter, I would get true. I will get the Boolean value as true because hello is present in the variable list variable spam. Next, let me check howdy in spam. So I'm checking, I'm looking for howdy. Is this present in the spam or not? We know it is not present and we should get the output as false. If I press enter key, I would get false as the answer. So this is what I am getting. So this is the demonstration with in operator. So let me next consider not in operator. So let me check hi not in spam. So if I'm checking, I'm looking for hi not present in spam, but it is actually present, hence I should get false as the output and I'm getting false as the output. Next let me check howdy not in spam. So if I do this and press enter, howdy is not present and I should get true as the output. Let me press enter key and I would get true as the output. So this is the explanation of in and not in operator in a list with the examples. Thank you so much for watching.